Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Canva AI Image Generator. All right, let's begin. First, open Canva and go to the left-hand menu. Click on Apps at the bottom. By default, you might be on the Design tab, so switch to Apps. Next, click on Search Canva Apps and type in Magic Media. Select the app from the results and click Open. Now describe the image you want to generate. If you are creating an image, select Image and type in a description. After that, choose the style you want. For example, you can adjust the aspect ratio to square and select soft focus as the image style. Once you have set your preferences, click Generate Image and Canva will start creating it. Once the process is complete, you will see the generated images. If you are not satisfied, you can click Generate Again to get new results. If you like an image, click on it and it will be added to your project, ready to use. So that's basically how you can use Canva AI Image Generator. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.